Today we're removing the rear door panel and speaker from an Infiniti M45. We're going to start with our pry bar and move to the bottom of the armrest below the handhold and pry the edges of this small panel from the armrest and remove. This will expose two screws, one on the left and one on the right. With these screws removed, with your pry bar, move back to the door lock and door handle area and pry the insert panel at the back of this opening loose to remove this and pull it out of the opening. This is going to access another bolt in this opening that needs to be removed, and this will free up the door panel somewhat. With our pry bar, we're going to start at the bottom front edge of the door panel, prying the door panel from the door, releasing clips, working away along the bottom of the panel, up the back edge and up the front edge, releasing all clips. Again, these clips release with pry pressure. This removal is very similar to the front door panel we have on our website, along with the car stereo removal if you need help with that, and speaker phasing and wire color codes for hookup. With the clips released, you can pull the bottom edge of the door panel back away from the door. We want to go into the courtesy light here at the back, locate the trigger on the connector and release this. This does two things while releasing this connector. The bottom edge of the door panel has to be far enough away from the edge of the door to lift up and clear the upper panels at the top edge, and this will allow you to pull the door panel back to access the linkage and connectors here at the back of the door panel. We're going to grasp the base of the lower cable here. This will pull straight up and releases out of a little pinch fit that secures the cable. This will allow you to swing the cable around and align the center cable up with a small slot in the linkage at the end and lift the end up out to release it. We're going to repeat this for the door lock as well. This one has a little bit different linkage at the end, but we're going to lift it up to release it up out. To reinstall these, they push back down in and clip in. Align the cable with the opening in the linkage, and this will allow you to pull this up out of the opening and release it as well. We're going to move down the door panel and locate any other wires that may be connected to the door other than the courtesy light. We have the control panel that we're going to locate two connectors at. These connectors have triggers on the side that you squeeze in to release. These connectors are also keyed, so they fit back to one specific spot. There is no need to label any of the connectors coming off this door panel. With these connectors released, check the rest of the door panel and remove it and set it to the side. Check the door for any clips that were not removed with the door panel. Pry them from the door and place them back in the corresponding spots on the door panel. This 6.5-inch speaker has a connector towards one side that releases. I hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.